So what is up guys, welcome to AGT Tech and Motivation YouTube channel, and today's video is completely dedicated to the topic about the upcoming MacBook Pro and everything you need to know about it. First, I have with me a groundbreaking concept showing us all depth and clear vision that how it's going to look like by my favorite and the most trusted source, Apple Design. So guys, first I wish that you will watch this concept. So guys, I hope that you have liked this video. This is a pretty nice conceptual video which makes us feel clear about how the next MacBook Pro is going to look like. Now let's discuss something about its leaks. The latest leak around the upcoming MacBook Pro redesign indicates that Apple is in discussion with Samsung to supply a larger OLED display for the macOS powered laptop. The idea of an OLED-equipped 16-inch MacBook Pro has been welcomed by many in the geek world, even though it leaves them wondering if they should wait for the new hardware or buy one of the current MacBook Pros with its smaller specification bump. But guys, unfortunately there may be a long wait for Apple's geekerty to get a hold of the larger 16-inch MacBook Pro, the macOS powered laptop range picked by a small spec bump in the last week as we as the first user of Intel's 9th generation technology. Given the long lead time to design any new product and the indications that Samsung is only in talks with Apple regarding the supply of these larger displays, along with the aforementioned bump, it's unlikely we will see a 16-inch MacBook Pro in the near future. There's a slim chance that Apple could spring these on the world at an October 2019 event, but it's more likely that we are looking at a 2020 announcement. Now comes the question for most of you guys, that should we wait for the new upcoming MacBook Pro or should we buy a used or a new MacBook Pro at the current moment? You could go for the current MacBook Pro machines on sale with an older physical design and questionable keynote technology, or you could wait for the new MacBook Pro with a bigger and brighter display, better power efficiency, Face ID, and the latest hardware updates tested by various patents. And I want to tell you that one of the advantages of an OLED screen over an LCD screen is that each individual pixel is illuminated separately. An LCD panel has a consistent light panel behind every single panel. OLED panels can be far more efficient if less illumination is required, and the predominantly black pixels found in a dark mode will need less illumination, saving power for more important tasks. Now I want to tell you the report from TechRadar. While the MacBook Pro 2018 is clearly an upgrade from its 2017 predecessor, there are still MacBook users that are getting fed up with Apple's recent news. Apple has been releasing new MacBook Pros and other Apple devices panels, and we don't know nothing more than this, guys. I just first planned to show you the concept only, but later I thought to tell some more things which we know so far yet. So this has been a little small video in which you got information about the MacBook Pro 2019 leaks and rumors, and also its concept. So guys, hope so you have liked this video, and if there will be more update regarding this MacBook, I will definitely cover it in my upcoming videos. So guys, hope so you have liked this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment that which video you want to see next. Again, follow me on Instagram, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And again, I will catch you in the next one.